over here on Steve's 68. We're gonna put new belts on it because his first complaint was my power steering's not working. Well, one flimsy little belt that's too small would obviously cause that. So we're gonna put fresh belts. We're gonna just double check all this fuel line. It's nice and clean, so we're probably just gonna blow that out. Get that ready to go. And then we're gonna clean up this wiring harness because this is some hacky work. We're gonna make it nice. Okay, so the belt Carson's holding is the one belt that was on the power steering and the AC. Now this is supposed to have two belts, and they obviously shouldn't be this thin. What in the hell? Because Steve's first complaint and main complaint was the power steering is horrible. Well, and squeaky. Well, when you only have one belt that's about half the thickness of the one that's supposed to be there, when you're supposed to have two, yeah, that'll do it. So, Belt Fest 2021. Chris that used to work at AutoZone, he got hired somewhere else now. So it's hard to find good people. Anyway, common issue on the 472 CAD is there's water pumps. Two different ones. In 74, they went to one belt. 73, sometimes you find a little of both. 72 and earlier, it's two belts. The thing is, with two belts, is you go to the parts store and say, hey, I need a water pump for my 68 with a 472. You have one part number. And it's cast for the single belt, for the later style. So, this is what you run into. And this is why, where's that janky little thin belt? Grab that again. Yeah, see how thin that is? This is why that little stupid belt was on there and why the power steering wasn't working. So now we get to have a powwow with Steve and go, so, some clown put the wrong water pump on your car, presumably before you bought it. So now your 1 hour to 2 hour project is turning into a longer one. Ooh, very pump springs. These blocks. Very pump springs. Anyway, we're going to show you the whoa. Carson, did you just tell me you're going to fire me?
Yeah.
You can't fire me because I quit.
Okay.
Anyway, we're going down like Burnsy's mom on a Saturday night.
Whoa. Hey,
Whoa. Hey-o. Okay, two belts. I'm like, why is this not sitting right? Well, going down, loving an elevator, living it up while you're going down. Notice, it's shitty, I'm sorry, but that belt is hitting the pump because this is the wrong pump. Happy, happy, joy, joy. I get to give Steve bad news because somebody was a parts changer and not a knowledgeable mechanic. So remember, if they tell you they're an automotive technician, they are a parts changer. Are you trying to hula hoop with the belt?
Yes. I can't hula hoop that one.
You know that you're employed right now.
Yeah.
But this level of screwing off, I'm okay with.